Here we are at the base of a hill to give everybody a sense of what the motor can do as it goes up a hill. And then we're gonna film a little bit as we're coming down. This thing works like a champ. This is one of the reasons that we personally wanted to put this on is for going uphill, because it can be quite challenging. So one of the things as we're going, I'm gonna call out when I kick up the amperage, so you get a sense of how many amps we're using. Again, she's 148 pounds. I'm keeping track of this jaunt up the hill using Runkeeper, and I'll post the stats so you can see what the grade is and how fast we were going, so you can compare that to, you know, the trips you're planning on. One of the challenges I had was it was really hard to tell how much power, how fast people could go in one of these, and this will give you a sense of that. So we're gonna get started here and just travel along with us for a little bit of this climb. You want to pan up and so they can see the hill. So a pretty decent hill, something that you might find in a national park, except a national park is going to be a lot longer, but this will give you a reasonable sense. All right, so at this point, I'm going to start Runkeeper, and we will get moving. All right, so I'm starting off at 1.1 amps. Not very fast, all right? And I've got the cruise control on now, which is nice, because now I can use both hands to steer us. And I'm gonna click this up. Okay, you don't need to, there you go. I've clicked that up, now we're at 2 amps, moving fairly good. Now we're at 4.37 amps. Now we're at 5.46 amps. And I'm not pushing here. Lauren's not pulling. Okay, 7.64, 8.73 amps. As we hit a flat part, I've got to actually bring it down so we're not running up the mountain. So now we're moving up, not a lot of strain here, one-handed. Lauren, you can let go a little bit. Just guiding it up the hill. All right, getting steeper. I'm going to kick up the amperage now. Now we're at 10.9, 12 amps. Okay, Lauren's not pulling. I'm not pushing. Alrighty. Okay, I'm dropping the amps because we're going a little fast. Drop it down one more. Nice and smooth. Alrighty, still going? Alright. Now you just pause it out by pressing on the throttle, and there we go. Let it down. All right, how far did we go? Press the pause button. All right, so that was 0.12 miles in 2 minutes and 57 seconds. I'm out of breath just because I went up the hill and I'm an old man. I wasn't pushing the TrailRider too hard. Lauren, were you pushing? Not hard. All right, and then if you give a view back down, pretty good. All right, so that gives you a sense of what's going on, and how this thing can climb hills. Thanks.